Let's now look at the Math Solver function in Edge. So I've got my Edge browser open and I'm going to head over to my settings. That's on my ellipsis. If I click down on my ellipsis, I can go down to my settings. My settings page will open, and then from there I'm going to head on down to appearance. And here I can customize my Edge appearance, how I want it to look in terms of light or dark themes. I can select whichever one I want to, but I want to go down and I want to actually customize my toolbar. So I'm going to head on down there, and there's a number of buttons that I can turn on or off, and one of it is the Math Solver button. So I'm going to click that one and turn that on. The moment I do that, in my toolbar on top, you can see I have the Math Solver button. Okay, so let's turn settings off and let's see how this works. I've got a number of maths problems from a question paper, and I'm going to click on the Math Solver button. Okay, and then what I can do is I can select the maths equation by just simply dragging over it, and the moment I do that, it's gonna give me an option to solve. And once I click on solve, in my window on my left, it's gonna look at that problem and then proceed to solve that equation for me. Gives me the answer, and I can go down and get more information. There's a graph, and I can get some more help, recommended videos, and help of that sort. Let's try another one. I'm going to select another maths problem. Let's try this one here. I'm going to go over there, select that one, and click on solve. And it's using OCR, so it's recognizing what I've clicked on from my maths problem itself. It's retyping it and it's solving that equation for me. All right, and it's giving me further help, whatever I need. This is an interesting one. Here's a maths problem that my son sent through to me. And this is, as you can see, it's handwritten. So he wrote it out by himself. And I'm going to simply click on select math problem. And I'm going to try as best I can to select what he's typed out over there and click on solve. And as you can see, the Math Solver has actually retyped the equation for me, and I've got the answer to the equation. And I can go down here and click on show solution steps, and there I can get step-by-step solutions for the math problem. How cool is that? All right, I can even go and say, for example, I wanted to type in a math problem. I can use the math keyboard. All right, and I'm just gonna clear out this what I've typed in there, and there's a number of functions I can use. That's the normal 1 2 3. There's your f of x, and here's your trig functions as well. So there's a lot of different functions that I can use. And let's just type in a normal equation, if you would. 2 by 9, let's go plus square root of 5 times 6. I'm just typing something randomly, plus 9. And let's go minus 2. All right, let's see what happens there. And there it's given me the answer, and I can go down and get the solution steps and see exactly how I come to that answer. And I can get additional help in the form of videos or some other form of learning help. So great feature, guys, to use on Microsoft Edge.